As the digitalization progresses, high bandwidth, high reliability, and easy-to-maintain networks have become the key demands of small and micro enterprises in their digital transformation. Surveys found that most enterprises use self-constructed networks to solve the network usage problem. But they face many problems and the network quality cannot be guaranteed. ZTE proposes the FTTR-B SME solution, which extends fibers to every space of SME, solves the internal network bottlenecks of SME in one step and provides ultra-gigabit experience. The FTTR-B SME solution has the following 6 advantages. 1. Full integration of functions. One enterprise network provides various network capabilities required for service development. 2. Full gigabit experience. The 2.5 GE port guarantees real 2000 m experience of wired and wireless networks. 3. High concurrency. A maximum of 32 APs can be connected, and 300 concurrent terminals are supported. 4. High security. The internal networks are isolated from external networks to ensure the security of internal networks. 5. Intelligent control. Network status is visual, manageable and controllable on mobile app. 6. Intelligent management. The control on apps prevents employees from slacking off and improves enterprise efficiency. The network of ZTE FTTR-B SME Solution is comprised of a FTTR main ONT and FTTR room ONTs, with ODN components connecting the two. The industry's first ASIC chip FTTR main ONT unleashes powerful performance and lower power consumption. XGS, PON and GPON combo uplink access can realize smooth upgrade to 10G. The Ethernet ports, voice port and Wi-Fi 6 meet the demands for daily service operation of enterprises. The FTTR main ONT includes a basic series and an advanced series, which can be selected as required by enterprises according to their user scale. ODN components include active splitters and photoelectric composite cables used to connect the main ONT and room ONTs. There are 2 types of active splitters, 1 to 4 and 1 to 8. Through 2-level optical splitting networking, they can be connected to the maximum 32 room ONTs. They can also remotely supply power for room ONTs to solve the power supply problem. Photoelectric composite cables integrate optical and electrical capabilities, and support remote power supply over a maximum distance of 150 meters. They adopt the industry standard SC/UPC connectors, which can serve as optical fiber connectors on the site for easy installation. The FTTR room ONTs include STB-capable ONT, ceiling-mounted AP, voice room ONT and panel ONT, which can be selected as required by scenario. They also support fiber, Ethernet cables and Wi-Fi backhaul to realize flexible networking. One room ONT supports a maximum of 128 connected terminals and 64 concurrent terminals, enables Wi-Fi roaming without perception. The ZLife app supports network planning, network speed acceptance, proactive O&M and one-click optimization, making end-to-end networks visual and manageable. ZTE FTTR-B Solution builds an all-optical foundation for SME, improves the network construction efficiency and network quality, and drives the digital transformation.